If you are struggling with debt and want to pay it off faster, one method that might work for you is the Debt Avalanche Method. This method involves targeting your highest interest rate debts first, which can potentially save you thousands of dollars in interest charges. Let's dive into the details. The first step in the Debt Avalanche Method is to list out all of your debts, including their interest rates and minimum payments. From there, you'll want to prioritize them based on interest rate, starting with the debt that has the highest interest rate. This will be your target debt, and you'll want to pay as much as you can towards it each month while making minimum payments on your other debts. To make the Debt Avalanche Method work, it's important to stick to the plan until your target debt is paid off. Once that debt is gone, move on to the debt with the next highest interest rate and repeat the process. It might take some time to see progress, but it's important to stay committed to the process and keep working towards becoming debt-free. Using the Debt Avalanche Method can be a great way to pay off debt faster and save money in interest charges. Prioritizing your debts based on interest rate, sticking to the plan, and remaining committed to the process are all key to making this method work. With patience and dedication, you can become debt-free and achieve financial freedom.